If your Yahoo Mail toolbar has suddenly disappeared in Chrome, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that usually bring it back fast. This is a simple troubleshooting guide for anyone who can't see the toolbar, buttons, or mail controls in Yahoo Mail. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's start with the fastest fix first. Refresh the Yahoo Mail page. Sometimes the toolbar does not load properly because the page glitched or a web element failed to render. Click refresh in Chrome or press the reload button and see if the toolbar comes back. If that does not work, the next thing to try is exiting full screen mode. Press F11 on your keyboard. Full screen mode can sometimes hide important browser and website controls, and in some cases it can make Yahoo Mail appear incomplete or trimmed down. Press F11 once, then check whether the missing toolbar returns. If the toolbar is still gone, your browser cache or cookies may be causing the issue. Over time, Chrome can store old data that interferes with how Yahoo Mail loads. To fix that, go into Chrome settings, clear your cache and cookies, then reopen Yahoo Mail and sign back in if needed. This often resolves display problems like missing buttons, missing menus, or broken layout elements. Another common cause is a browser extension. Some ad blockers, script blockers, privacy tools, or theme extensions can interfere with Yahoo Mail's interface. Try disabling your Chrome extensions temporarily, then reload Yahoo Mail and check the toolbar again. If the toolbar reappears, you'll know one of those extensions is the problem. Now let's check the zoom level. If your browser is zoomed in too far, parts of the Yahoo Mail interface may look cut off or disappear from view. Press Ctrl +0 to reset Chrome zoom back to the default level. After that, look at the top of Yahoo Mail again and see if the toolbar is visible. If none of those steps work, try opening Yahoo Mail in Incognito mode. This is a great test because Incognito usually starts with fewer extension conflicts and a cleaner browser session. Open a new Incognito window, log into Yahoo Mail, and see if the toolbar shows up normally there. If it does, that usually means the issue is related to your normal Chrome profile, cache data, or an extension. If the toolbar is restored in Incognito, go back and revisit the earlier steps one by one. Disable extensions, clear cache, and check your zoom settings until you find the exact cause. That way you can fix the issue permanently instead of just temporarily. In many cases, one of these simple fixes is enough to restore the disappeared Yahoo Mail toolbar in Chrome. Start with refresh, then F11, then clear cache and cookies, disable extensions, reset zoom, and finally test Incognito mode. These steps are quick, safe, and easy to follow even if you are not technical. I hope this helped you get your Yahoo Mail toolbar back in Chrome. If it did, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss more helpful tutorials just like this one.